Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to change password in Trello. So this is actually pretty simple, just follow my steps. Now go right here to your profile picture and click on Manage Account. This will open up a new window where you should be able to go to Security right here. And here you have to enter your current password. So I will just quickly enter my password. And then change it to a new password. Then if you are done with your changes, just click on Save Changes. Now your password should be updated. As you can see, success. So you can close this account, and it is really this simple to change your password. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.